In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix a dual monitor setup on Windows. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if your second monitor isn't being detected, says no signal, mirrors when you don't want it to, or just isn't working properly, there are a few common causes. Sometimes it's the cable issue, other times it's Windows display settings, resolution mismatch, or a graphic driver problems. So instead of guessing, we're gonna go step by step and fix it properly. Let's start with the basic. First, turn off your computer completely, unplug the video cable from both the monitor and the computer, plug it back firmly on both ends. If you're using HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, make sure it clicks in securely. If your computer has multiple video ports, try switching to a different one. If you have another cable available, try swapping it. Also, check the monitor's input source using the monitor's button. Make sure it matches the cable you're using. Turn everything back on and see if it works. If not, let's go to the next step. Right-click on your desktop and click Display Settings. At the top, you should see monitor boxes labeled as 1 and 2. If you only see one, scroll down and click Detect. Wait a few seconds to see if Windows finds the second monitor. If it appears but still shows black, let's move to the next step. Still in Display Settings, scroll to Multiple Displays. Make sure it's set to extend these displays if you want two separate screens. If it's set to show only one, your second monitor won't display anything. You can also press Windows key plus and choose Extend from the side menu. After selecting Extend, your second monitor should activate. Click on the second monitor at the top of the display settings page, scroll down and check display resolution. Make sure it's set to recommended resolution, then scroll down and click advanced display settings. Check the refresh rate and set it to something your monitor supports. Alright, if the monitor still isn't detected, this is usually a graphic driver issue. First, right click at the start button and click device manager. Expand display adapters, you'll see the name of your graphics card listed there. It might say NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics. Take notes of the exact name, open your browser, and go directly to your GPU manufacturer's official website. If you have NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA.com. If you have AMD, go to AMD.com. If you have Intel graphics, go to Intel.com. On the website, look for the drivers or support section. Enter your graphics card model and your version of Windows. Make sure you select the correct Windows version like Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11 64-bit. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the installation step. If there's an option for a clean installation, select it, and when your PC boots back up, go into display settings again and check if the second monitor is detected. If the issues continues, connect the monitor to another computer or laptop. If it doesn't work there either, the problem may be the monitor itself. If it works on another device, then the issue is likely your PC's port or GPU. And that's it. That's how you troubleshoot and fix dual monitor setup. If you find it useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.